Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to check your Amazon Seller Central account status. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started. In this main page in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one. If you have one, just log in normally. So go ahead and log into your account, and once you log into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here that looks like something like this, where you can go and manage your catalog, inventory, your orders, store settings, and so on. And now we can get started. So guys, to check your Amazon Seller account status, what we can do is go into the account settings. As you can see, here is a thread right here in the official Seller Central of somebody asking if their account is active or not active. So basically, we're going to follow the steps right here that you can see to check your status. If you're in Seller Central, you're going to go to the settings option and then account info. So you can find your settings right here in the upper right corner. So as you can see, we can open up the settings, and from there we can open up account info, and in our account info section next to the account status section is going to show us if we are active or not active. If it's not active, you can go ahead and activate your account to start selling. If you're active, it's going to show you so, and basically that's how you can check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.